Bing, and we're live. It is EuroAsia Scrum. It is Sam and Sergio. Hey, Sergio. This is the stand-up we usually, Thomas, I think, is running behind today. We'll see if anybody else turns up. It's basically a check-in. The stand-up is a check-in to see what people have been doing. I'm just going to give you my updates, what I've been doing for Agile Ventures. Big thing last night was updating the AV102 final week and getting that all released and ready. The videos should be out. The assignment is just being checked by the other people, and that should be out later today. So I'm very pleased about that. We had the AutoGraders Beta Masters meeting yesterday, which is the other instructors around the world who are using the AutoGrader materials from the MOOC, and that all seems to be basically under control at the moment. Ongoing pull requests on the LocalSupport project, client meeting tomorrow. That also seems basically under control, so nothing particularly blocking me at the moment. I'm just busy trying to create an AI that can review code without necessarily having any human intervention, but that's another story. How are things with you, Sergio? Anything blocking you? Anything going on?
Right now, the moment now, I had joined the Agile Ventures sometime back in 2014. I was taking the edge for the TAs for the CS, something I don't recall, 164, something like that, 69. About CSS. But I was very busy that time, so I let it out. And now I have some time, so I pop in, try to help in some part. If I can.
Great, that's fantastic. We really appreciate it. So are you looking to complete the assignment to vote on a story in the Pivotal Tracker? Is that what you're hoping to do now?
Anything. I would like to get some info how to continue. I select some projects to, if I can help, like OSRA or the site one, how it's called.
Oh yeah, yes. So you're wondering how to get involved in the projects. Yeah, we can talk about that. I mean, did you want to? I mean, this is the last week. The assignment for AV102 was to participate in voting on a feature in any project. Are you interested in doing that voting thing now, or do you just want to have a chat instead?
Oh, let's suck. I don't about the voting. Haven't read something. So
okay. Are you following through the AV102 course? Do you know what I mean when I say that? Yeah. Let me show you. So a lot of the people coming in to the sessions like this one they're doing they're preparing to be eventually be teaching assistants in the massively open online class. Are you doing this course here?
No, I was in another course back in time.
Yeah, you were in the 169, the MOOC. Yeah, okay. No, that's fine. That's but we've got many people currently doing this course, which you're also welcome to view. Let me give you a quick the link that you need in order to check this out. I mean, if you're interested in getting involved in Agile Ventures, then this is a course that we recommend that people do, because it's, as well as preparing people for the being teaching assistants in the massive open online class, it's also
yeah, I have taken this back in time.
Okay, so you already
I haven't finished though, because I was a little I had a lot to do.
Sure, no problem at all. Yes, so I mean, this is running again, and it has been updated, and we are using some new things. Are you in the Slack environment? So we have so you're in here. Yeah, okay, cool. And so is your you're interested particularly in getting involved in some projects. You're not too worried about you're being a teaching assistant for there's a new run of the 169 class starting in like 2 weeks. You're more interested in the projects, right?
Well, I can try both. Yes, I have some time right now.
Sure.
So,
yeah. I mean, and no, contributing both to the projects and to the course, you can get like these like level 2 and level 3 certificates for you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you know. Okay, cool. So anyhow, yeah. So I mean, what I can certainly tell you is the projects that are most active at the moment. The main project that's kind of, I'd probably say, I mean, I'm biased because I'm the project manager, is LocalSupport. Yeah, and so that's this directory of charities in Northwest London. And you know, there are, you know, in Slack you can basically see like those chat rooms for each of those things. So you can see here, like we've got all of the, you know, I was reviewing pull requests this morning, and I was pushing to a new branch, and we've got, you know, GitHub and Pivotal all you know, set on there. So I mean, if you're interested in getting involved in that project, then, you know, just join the chat room and kind of hang out there and chat. I mean, you know, any of the projects, you know, same with Ostra. You know, you've got the, you know, that's going on there. That has been very active. I'm not sure how active it's been recently. I think they've certainly done. Yeah, we've got a new project that's starting up. It's called Website 2, which we've got a group of students here at Makers Academy in London, and they're sort of doing a prototype of a charity showcase site that would try and showcase you know, the best of Agile Ventures and so on. Yeah, and I guess, you know, there's other, you know, Take Me Away has bits and pieces going on. The AutoGraders has bits and pieces going on. You know, the thing to do is probably, you know, join chat rooms and ask, you know, you can ask questions to @channel, like here, like say, you know, hi, how's it going, and you know, what's going on, you know, or just, you know, or just look, you know, and just sort of like absorb information, and then, you know, ask questions later on when you're. I mean, and of course these stand-ups that we have, basically I'm running, you know, I run these to the EuroAsia Scrum and the Atlantic Scrum pretty reliably. I'm pretty reliable, I would guess, Monday to Friday. And so this is always good. These are good sessions to come into and, you know, see who you meet, see who's here, and you can arrange, you know, to like, you know, pair program with people, or just watch other people pair programming. You know, it's all very relaxed, and there's no commitment involved. People get involved as much or as little as they want. Yeah, that's about it. Can I answer any other questions?
No, I'm okay. Cool. You answered all of my questions.
Great, good stuff. Well, you know, just let me know if there's anything that you need. I'm the LocalSupport project manager. If you need access to the LocalSupport pivotal tracker, you know, or I mean, all the details are in the in the projects thing. Just let me know, and you can get me on Slack. And what I would generally just say, as I say to everybody, is you know, on Slack, rather than sort of DMing me individually, rather than sending me a direct message, if you need, like, for example, help on LocalSupport, then what I would do is in the LocalSupport channel, and you might say something like this. You might say, hey, you know, hey Tansako, and that's my nickname on here. How do I, you know, get the LS software installed? The big advantage of that is if you do it there is if I don't see that for a while, maybe somebody else in the group, and there's a number of developers around the world, can respond, and they can, you know, in principle point you to, we've got the LocalSupport on GitHub, and we've got our getting started guides are in the wiki on going through installation and so on. I'm just going to edit that, and like, I'm not sure I'm going to move that. And we'll move the fastest guy. I don't know that Vagrant is the fastest. We were playing around with Vagrant. There we go. Anyway, that kind of thing. So yeah, you know, hang out and see who you meet, and you know, I look forward to bumping into you again whenever the you know, opportunity, you know, as the community folds. You know, if you want to get involved in our project, that would be wonderful. But yes, see what takes your interest.
Okay.
Cool. All right. Well, that's the stand-up. Great to meet you, Sergio. And or how do you pronounce your first name? Is it Sergios? Sergio?
Yeah. Okay. In Greek is Sergios, but you can call me Sergio. It's the same.
But I'm always. You know, and if you're not bothered, then that's very flexible. I love flexible people. It's great. Okay, I got to run. I will see you again sometime soon. All right. Bye for now. Take care.
Nice to see you. Bye.